Hi, my name is Carl from West Riding Hyundai, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use launch control in the new i20N. But I must say, before this video begins, launch control should only be used in a controlled environment. Launch control is designed for use for track, but not public road use. So let's get into it. So using launch control is an extremely easy process, but there's a lot of conditions from Hyundai that allow launch control to work. So for example, your seatbelt must be on. Any passengers' seatbelts must be on, as well as any heavy items in the back or any passengers in the back as well. Your steering wheel must be straight. Your car needs to be in neutral. Your engine needs to be completely warmed up, which when we go into N mode we will be able to see, but mainly by this gauge here on the digital cluster. So to activate launch control, we need to go into N mode, scroll across to performance options, and activate it there, or you can even just press activate on the screen there for launch control. Activation will now last 5 minutes. So all we're going to need to do is go into N mode or custom modes. Then all we're going to do is press the clutch, put the car into first, and depress the accelerator in a short amount of time, as I'll now demonstrate. And then you would then be able to release the clutch, and then you would launch the car. I hope this tutorial helped you, and please like and subscribe for more content.